Cucumber mint, baby. CP soap making.
Cucumber mints. I've had cucumber mint on a sandwich. It's really nice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look at these colors we're working with today. Aren't they pretty?
Blue, green, yellow, red, and...
No, not red. Pink.
Pink and gold. Oh, no, that's not gold.
I don't think I ended up using the gold. I'm not really happy with my soap dough cucumbers. But, you know, I was committed to the soap. And I have regrets about putting pink in it.
I'm sure somebody will like it. I mean, I think it looks really nice. And it smells nice, so...
So let's add some lye water solution to the oils, shall we?
Yeah,
Start
why
stirring.
not?
SheStirsTooMuch.com. You can see the tripod for my iPhone for my Instagram shots. I've been keeping consistent with that. You can find me on TikTok too. I finally figured out TikTok.
Ticky-tock.
You know how hard it is.
The soap clock.
I'm sure the audience can agree with us that being like in your 50s or 60s, social media in general, and things like TikTok and Instagram they're hard to figure out. And I'm not sure why. I think our generation.
I think you lose patience with it. You want to do it quick and you lose patience.
Right, but like it literally takes me months just to get it.
Even though we've all been using computers for 10, 20 years, we still lose patience with it all.
There's something about our generation that we're going to set that off to the side for piping. That because we grew up without technology and then we were introduced to technology, we embraced it, right?
Yeah.
But personally, I don't know about you guys, I just have the hardest time figuring out the smallest, dumbest social media things.
Yeah, you just lose patience. You just lose. But that's all it is. It's not because you're not interested. You lose patience.
I don't know. I'm not sure why there's blue in there either, but I must have just craved that color combination that day. But anyways, there's lots of men's soaps coming up. Just want you guys to know.
Yeah, get on it. Men's soaps.
Yep.
Smell as good as the cologne you buy in the store.
And what did I get you for your birthday this year?
A very ancient vintage cologne or aftershave, depending where you live.
It's called Cellini by Fabergé. You can get it on eBay. It's a classic.
It reminds me of Carusi 1882, but it also reminds me of fuel. It's really nice.
It is really nice, and it smells totally different once he puts it on.
And I will not wear cheap aftershave. I did that in the 70s with Brut.
Did you?
So I'm not going to do it anymore. I buy the expensive ones.
Why are you saying it in that voice? Why are you saying it in that voice?
Because I'm crazy. I'm good at doing voices, aren't I? You know that. I mimic.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's like, you guessed it, whipped cream.
Yeah, it's getting there. I'm trying to remember. Oh, this, I think I used a chopstick to swirl this one. I've been chopsticking a lot of soaps lately.
Well, one of the blenders broke, so then she found she had another 3 in the drawer.
What, the stick blender?
Mm.
Oh no, I knew I had 3 in the drawer. Are you drinking coffee?
Lovely coffee. We've got a coffee up here. It's a bit chilly, so we've got the coffee up here.
It is chilly. So I'm just, winging it, putting the colors in, and we're going to run a chopstick through it. Why not?
All them lovely colours melding together in the little box.
The little 2-pound loaf.
I hope you people are getting inspired by this and trying to make your own soap. I know we don't go into too much tutorials.
No, you know why? I've said it before. The knowledge is there. I know what I'm doing. I don't have the brain capacity to explain it. Really. Maybe one day. It's just, I think it's just part of getting older. You just like do things automatically, and
Well, it's more commitment. You're only doing videos to promote your products and everything, but it's more commitment. But obviously, I mean, it's not because we don't want to.
right. I want to do a lot of things that I don't have the brain space
There's plenty
for.
of people out there who give you the tutorials, and they're all basically the same.
Royalty Soaps has a whole series of beginners soap making things, videos and things. Come on, and they're very thorough. So go check it out if you want to make soap.
Ooh, that's gone very mustardy colour,
I
hasn't it?
know, right? I think this is where I started thinking, like, I'm not going to like this soap very much, but it smells so good.
That reminds me of someone's kitchen in 1976. Mustard coloured walls.
It's not easy to get a nice yellow. I don't know why. Maybe, like, I might try using a neon yellow and adding titanium dioxide to it so it doesn't hurt your eyes. That might make a nice yellow. But this is,
I think it's just gone that way, hasn't it? Because of
it
the
changes.
processes.
It changes after a couple days. When I cut it, I think it's different. But yeah, this color scheme is pretty bizarre, I have to say.
But it turns out beautiful as always.
I don't know. I'm not a fan. I shouldn't be saying that, but just the way it is.
Well, as I say, with any creative process, the person creating it doesn't like certain things, but throw it out there and let other people decide, right?
Very critical about this one.
Yeah, it's almost a goldy yellow.
Yeah, but it changes again. Let's see if I counted to 10 properly. And then green sparkles, like why? Oh, the cucumber.
Cucumber sparkles.
But it's not looking right to me at all. Hi, Gabe. Hi, Gabe. Cucumber's going
See
in.
what's wrong with them?
I don't know. They're not cutesy enough. But, I counted to 10 right, so there's... And then I'm adding, like, pink flowers. I must have had the strangest day when I thought of this. Don't you think?
No, I just think it's a very pretty soap. I think it's just come together very nice. You just, like everything else sometimes, like, semi music or art, when you write music, sometimes you like the song but you're not over the top. Other people say, yeah.
What?
Different.
Was I thinking?
Well, somebody might look at that and go,
It's
well,
like
that's really
someone
nice.
just vomited a mixture of color palettes into this loaf. Very strange. Let's see how it turns out. See, the yellow is a little bit better.
You've got a nice lot of different colours there. They're not clashing and they're all complementing each other. And I bet the inside looks really good. Here
Let's find out.
See,
Chopstick
look at
swirl.
that.
Not the greatest chopstick swirl
Look
on
at that
the planet,
lovely
but-
swirly pattern. That's a pretty
Alright,
soap.
it's growing on me. It's not that bad. The yellow has...
It actually reminds me of the colour schemes that were around in the 50s.
Okay, let's call it the 50s cucumber soap.
All the weird colours you had, bright colours mixed with dark colours, and that's what it reminds me of. You get pinks, blues, greens.
Just want to remind
yellows,
everybody,
golds.
sorry, the soaps you're seeing here will be dropped to the website, fruitsofaloon.com, sometime in October. I haven't announced the date yet because I don't know when. There's a brace.
They are. It's
A
a brace,
brace.
not a
Sorry,
brace. A brace
sorry.
of lovely cucumber mint.
And we'll see you next time, guys.
See you later, Kitty Winks.
Thanks for watching.